Hi, my name is Lori Bergstrom. I'm a licensed mental health practitioner, and I also add in for my patients' work environmental factors, including nutritional influences to mental health. And an important reason that I attended this workshop is to learn more about how the environment and shielding the environment may help my patients recover quicker and with more success. So I attended this workshop with GeoVital, and my experience was really, truly phenomenal. We had an excellent learning environment. There were only 6 students, which is really special. I really felt that at the end of the workshop, that I had some great basic tools to begin working with my patients and making recommendations, and I know with some practice I'll become much more proficient. But what I think I valued most is learning to assess geopathic stress, which is not something that I've learned before. Electric fields and EMFs is critically understood by me. I get that, but I didn't have a way of measuring geopathic stress, and I really feel that this is a tremendous bonus and difference that I received from taking this workshop. And the combination of all the tools, and especially the products and the high quality of the products, I think will make for a great addition to my private practice and for the well-being of my patients.